Today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about Weight Watchers. Many of you know I've been a Weight Watchers member for many years. Sometimes I'm very successful at it, other times I'm not quite so successful. But one of the things that I've learned is how to make some 0-point foods that taste really, really good. So today what we're going to do is we're going to start with making a 0-point egg salad. So let's just get started. But we're going to begin with about a half a cup of Greek yogurt. We're going to add that into our bowl. To that, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of dill relish. This is not the sweet relish, this is dill relish. As you remember in Weight Watchers, dill relish is 0 points. So we're going to try to minimize our points on this particular recipe and yet maximize the flavor. To that, we're going to add in about 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard. Use your favorite brand of Dijon Mustard. Doesn't really matter. If you don't want to use Dijon, you can use a different type of mustard. You could use a whole grain mustard. You could use a spicy mustard. Whatever kind of mustard you like. We're going to add in about half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And about a half a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead, we're going to get that all mixed up. Oh, by the way, I did drain that relish. Wanted to make sure we got rid of most of that dill juice off of it. So that'll help keep your sauce from being too wet or too watery. So once we get that all mixed in, we're going to add in about 3/4 cup of chopped celery. We want to do everything we can to make this salad a nice crunchy salad. So we're going to add that in. Now at this point you can add in anything else that you like. And so today what we're going to add in is a little bit of chopped red pepper. I thought it would give it a nice little color, a nice little taste, and a lot more crunch. So we're going to add that in. Alright, so we got everything all blended in there. And now what we have is about 8 hard-boiled eggs that I've chopped. Now I don't know if you make hard-boiled eggs, I'll tell you how I do it. I use my Instapot. You can put the eggs in there, half a cup of water, 6 minutes under high pressure, they're done. Let them cool off a little bit naturally, pop them into an ice bath, and they peel easily and they taste wonderful. It's a great easy way to do hard-boiled eggs. So we're just going to go ahead, we're going to put those in. Get everybody into the pool there. And we're just going to carefully mix this up. We don't want to get too crazy now because we don't want to break all these eggs apart. We kind of want to have a little texture to them. But we want them coated with that wonderful flavor of that sauce that we just made. And there you have it. 0-point, Weight Watchers friendly egg salad.